Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking Explore channel. Today I'm going to make red velvet cake. So let's see what are the ingredients we need. So I'm going to use 150 gram of butter, 250 gram of flour, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 eggs and 300 gram sugar, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon vanilla essence and half a teaspoon baking soda. Take 1 cup of milk, add few drop of red coloring. Take the egg, add the vanilla essence and keep it aside. And I'm going to shift the flour plus cocoa powder, baking powder together. So I'm going to shift 3 times. I have shifted this 3 times. Take a dry ball and transfer the butter to the bowl. So the butter I have kept in room temperature and let's beat. Today I am not going to use the hand beater. Let's add the brown sugar and beat well until the sugar dissolves. Let us whisk the egg well. Now you can see butter and sugar get melted well, and I'm going to add flour mixture. Let's beat it while adding egg little by little. I'm going to add the buttermilk to this cake batter and fold it well. You can see the butter is more, and now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and half a teaspoon of baking soda together, and you can see the baking soda is reacting with the vinegar. Now I'm going to add the vinegar to the batter and mix it well. Preheat your oven 170 Celsius and take a baking tray, grease some butter, place parchment paper on it and transfer the batter to the tray, and let's remove air from the cake tray. And bake it for 45 minutes. So I'm going to try with red velvet cake with vanilla ice cream, and I'm going to try with the cream cheese frosting. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Stay tuned with another video. Thank you.